Pleasant evening to all. Welcome to today's
Health Information Blog focused on maintaining wellness as a student.
We are being sent to a students. I am Tori Katie Zate.
I'm Julian Ansintuldanes.
I am Adrian Joshua Quinones.
Health is not just the absence of illness. It's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being.
By making informed choices and adopting healthy habits, we can achieve optimal health and vitality.
Balancing academic responsibilities, social activities, and personal well-being can be challenging. But prioritizing your health is essential for academic success and overall well-being. Let's start by discussing strategies for maintaining physical health as a student. Physical health is of paramount importance as it directly impacts our overall well-being and quality of life. By investing in our physical health, we not only improve our quality of life, but also reduce the burden of preventable diseases and promote a healthier, happier future for ourselves and our communities. First is regular exercise. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can improve mood, reduce stress, and boost energy levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, whether it's walking, jogging, cycling, or participating in group fitness classes. Next will be healthy eating habits. Fueling your body with nutritious foods is crucial for sustained energy and concentration. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients to fuel our bodies and support overall health. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and caffeinated beverages. Pairing a nutritious diet with regular physical activity helps strengthen our muscles, improve cardiovascular health, and boost our mood. Lastly, which most of us overlooks and is very important, is adequate sleep. Prioritize getting enough sleep each night, aiming for 7 to 9 hours for optimal health and cognitive function. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and limit screen time before bed to promote better sleep quality.
Next, let's explore strategies for maintaining good mental health as a student. The academic pressure, social dynamics, and life transitions can take a toll on our well-being, but it's essential to prioritize self-care and seek support when needed. Stress management. Academic pressures, deadlines, and social obligations can contribute to stress. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and time management strategies to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Seeking support. As you make time for relaxation, connect with friends and mentors. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you're feeling overwhelmed. Remember, you're not alone and it's okay to ask for support. Self-care. Make self-care a priority by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading, listening to music, spending time outdoors, or pursuing hobbies. Taking regular breaks and practicing self-compassion can help prevent burnout and improve overall well-being.
Now let's explore strategies for nurturing emotional health. Self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your emotions, thoughts, and reactions. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing and body scans to increase self-awareness and cultivate a greater sense of inner peace. Emotional expression. Find healthy outlets for expressing your emotions, whether through journaling, creative arts, or talking with trusted friends or counselors. Expressing emotions in a constructive manner can help alleviate stress and promote emotional resilience. Stress management. Develop effective stress management strategies to cope with the demands of student life. This may include time management techniques, setting realistic goals, and seeking support from peers, family, or mental health professionals when needed.
By prioritizing self-care, seeking support when needed, and fostering healthy habits and relationships, you can thrive academically and personally during your time as a student.
Well folks, that's all for today's vlog. Remember, health is not a destination, it's a journey.
Let's continue to support each other on this path to wellness.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care.